So, hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I want to show you how to make your Windows device faster. Okay, so let's start. Well, first you need to go to display settings, and if you want to make your laptop a bit faster for your graphics, you want to lower your resolution. Okay, because that will make your GPU use less uh, to need to sorry guys a bit so yeah, it's going to work with less data because it's going to be 1920 by 1080 or either the 800 by 600. So 800 by 600 is going to be way less than this for calculating. Okay, but I really recommend living on your hearts because you're not going to get really much from that. But if you want, you can do it. Then you need to go to task manager. Okay, well, you need to go to performance. No, sorry, not to performance, not to app history, but to startup, and you need to disable all of them if you want. Okay, so as you can see, my last BIOS time was 6.4 seconds for my breath. Please guys, please be sure to subscribe. Okay, well, here guys, that was one of the things that you can do. Now you need to tap the Windows control key and R. Okay, and now you need to write prefetch. Okay, you need to continue, and you need to do just one thing. Yeet. Okay, well, as you can see, I have a lot of those. You need to delete. Why guys? Because, well, it's not going to be a major performance boost, but well guys, when you don't have a really good computer, you need even 0.1%, let's say, if not more. Well, you need to go again, just the same thing, because this not only will make your computer faster, but also are going to free up space. Well, temp. Okay, now you need to do with percentages on both sides of it, which isn't really something big. Well, these are on most YouTubers tutorials. Then we are going to go on real ways to boost it, because, well, bruh, these are just some small things compared to what I'm going to show you a bit later. Okay, well, let's see what we can delete. If you can delete something, it's okay. Then you need to go to recycle bin to empty the recycle bin, and you are going to free up some space. Oh yeah. Well guys, now let's go to a more realistic things, because, well, those are, oh, even one thing. Well, you can go to battery settings. Okay, from there, power and sleep settings, additional power settings, and you can go to the high performance, which, let's be real guys, it's not something really big to say. Okay, let's refresh it. Now let's go to something really good. Let's open whatever web browser. Well, you need to go to throttle stop. Okay, so as you can see, we have the 9.3.1 beta. You need to go either Windows, well, I say is better the latest one, but if you go to latest table, you can find here, or the beta. You can download each one, choose one of the servers. Okay, so let's exit. Okay, well, here we have, you need to go here just, well guys, this is, you need to tap OK. Well, you need to disable the turbo. If you have disabled the turbo, this is not going to let you for the computer run at its max CPU clock. Okay, it's going to run at, mine is from 1.8 to 3.8. that is a major gigahertz difference, which is going to make your computer faster, not by a lot, but it's going to make faster. Well, the next real thing that you can do is disable as much applications as you don't need it. So as you can see, I have the Premiere Pro. That is the thing that I do the videos. Well, uninstall something that you really don't need. So what I need this, guys, let's be real. I don't play never cards or this. My graphic card is nowhere near for that. Okay, so here we have, well, you can delete application. Those will make will take less RAM and CPU, of course, which means performance. Translation. Well, guys, something else that I'm doing this nowadays is that I have gotten even a portable hard disk where I keep most of my programs, applications, things like that, and that have made a little bit faster. Well, I wasn't, look guys, look how much, look, are you kidding with me, bro? I have 246 gig entirely. This was $50 if I'm not wrong, and it's 1 terabyte, so I have 4 times more storage here, and I get even a bit snappier performance because it have less data to calculate. So thank you for watching, guys. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you. You're the best.